Hi everyone, Miss Wissman here with an example of reflecting across the line y equals x. So for our question, it says reflect triangle ABC over the line y equals x, graph the line of reflection and the image of triangle ABC. So the first step is to graph the line of reflection. Okay, so that's what I'm going to start with. My line of reflection, like in the previous videos, is whatever it says over the line of. And in this case, it's y equals x. So I'm going to start by typing in y equals x. There's my line. And I'm just going to make it green because I like green. So there's my line of reflection. Now, in the previous video, we talked about rules or shortcuts for how we're going to transform this triangle A, B, and C over this line. If you notice, we can't like count to the line and make it equal distant. It's not the same because our line is now diagonal. So I'm going to use the rule that we talked about. Okay, so the rule for y equals x is to switch your x and your y value. So A, I'm going to start with this one right here. I'm going to start with A, 2, 4. If I switch them, it becomes 4, 2. And I want to label this A prime because I've transformed my point A. So it's not A anymore, it's A prime. Okay, so there is A prime. The next thing I want to do is look at B. B is negative 2, 2. And so if I'm going to switch those around, it's going to be a 2, negative 2, and I'm going to label that B prime because I took B and I changed it. Now it's B prime. And then the last point I'm going to do is C, negative 1, 0. And my rule is to switch the X and the Y coordinates. So it's going to become 0, negative 1. And I'm going to label that C prime. So here is my triangle, A prime, B prime, C prime. That's the image of triangle ABC, and I've plotted those points, A prime, B prime, C prime. So in the next video, you'll be asked to do a U-try question very similar to this. Make sure to have your shortcut rules ready when you try the next slide.